Are you worried that you are not maximizing your employees' time and efforts, whether they are in the office or out in the field? After all, the lost productivity and time could affect the bottom line tremendously. Plan Month is a complete daily staff scheduling, tracking, and management solution that ensures improved workplace productivity, higher revenue and profitability, maximized asset and workforce utilization, saves 80% of your time. But how does it do it exactly? By providing you well thought out features that are easy to use. Employee roster management. With employee roster management, you can assign the duties to all of your employee and make sure that none of the employee hours are wasted. Sites management. You can track your employee's location in real time during a site visit. This way, you know they are at the right place at the right time doing their job. Reports. You can get a detailed report for almost every aspect of your business, giving you vital insights into your company's performance and the areas for improvements. Plan Month's other features include employee management, client management, events, calls, payroll and point-of-sale systems, invoices, and more. What's even better? It's available on all devices, so you can use Plan Month at your office, in your bed, walking your dog, or in the plane. These features make Plan Month trusted by care agencies, security firms, cleaning companies, construction sites, and many more. Plan Month offers 4 affordable plans: Silver, Gold, Diamond, and Platinum. And they start from just £1.49 per user to £4.49 per user. Want to learn more? Visit www.planmonth.com now. Plan Month, your one stop for all management needs.